Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into a common problem that many Angular 17.2 users may encounter. So what's the problem? Well, imagine trying to utilize signals in your Angular project, only to be greeted by the frustrating error message. Cannot find names signaled. It can be quite a head-scratcher, right? Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky issue. The key here is to import signal from Angular core. By making this simple adjustment in your code, you'll be able to access and use signals without any further hassle. Remember, a small change like this can make a big difference in how smoothly your Angular 17.2 project runs. In summary, encountering the cannot find name signal problem in Angular 17.2 can be a real headache, but fear not, the solution is just a quick import away. By bringing in signal from Angular core, you'll be back on track and ready to make the most of your project. Thanks for tuning in today, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts and any other tech problems you'd like me to tackle. Until next time, happy coding!